Hi guys, Mrs. A here. We are looking at logarithms, and we have this expression here with logarithms in it. We want to evaluate the expression, but I want to do it today using the laws of logarithms that we've learned. So that is the product law, the quotient law, and the power law. So we want to simplify it, get it to one single logarithm using those laws, and then we'll evaluate it in the usual way. So the first thing I notice here is that this term and this term both have coefficients. We have a coefficient of 3 here and a coefficient of 1/2 here. And we can use the power law to take this coefficient and bring it into an exponent on the 2 here, and this coefficient and put it as an exponent on the 16 here, and then we'll have just logarithms with base 2 all the way across so we can combine them. So that's our first step. Our first one here doesn't have the coefficients, so we're just going to rewrite it. The log of 2 to the base 2 plus the log of 2 to the power of 3 to the base 2 minus the log of 16 to the power of 1/2 to the base 2. Okay, so now let's combine the first two together. So these two logs have the same base of 2, and they're being added together. So to do that, we can multiply this 2 with this 2 to the power of 3. That's our product law for logarithms. So this becomes the log of 2 times 2 to the power of 3 to the base 2. And then we still have this minus log of 16 to the 1/2 to the power of 2. Okay. So let's combine these exponents together. We have a base 2, so we can add the exponents. 1 plus 3 gives us 2 to the power of 4 here. So this can be simplified to the log of 2 to the power of 4, which is 16 to the base 2, minus the log of, let's evaluate this now, because 16 to the 1/2 is the square root of 16, so we're just going to simplify that to 4. All right, now I can combine these two logarithms together by using the quotient rule. So this becomes the log of 16 divided by 4 to the base 2. And now we're going to divide this out to get the log of 4 to the base 2. So we ask ourselves now, 2 to the power of what gives us 4? And so the answer here is going to be 2. So we've simplified the 3 logarithms at the beginning down to 1 logarithm, and now we get the answer of 2. Thanks for watching. Mrs. A Loves Math.